Also, on my behalf, a warm welcome to our dignitaries, the ministers, the new Minister of Finance. I wish you a lot of strength and that we will work together in the coming 4 years. The Curaçao Financial Center is over 55, maybe 60 years old. It's a very viable and actually durable sector of our economy. It has always contributed in full to the economic development of Curaçao, and it still is. I think the main reason is that it's one of the sectors where the private sector and the public sector work together. We have done so since the days of the Papa Smiths and still continuing to cooperate. The CIFC, which I represent, is a bipartisan, platform from the private sector and the public sector. We have the Minister of Economic Affairs, the Minister of Finance as members of our board. We have also the Central Bank and other important institutions where we work together to promote Curaçao abroad. Last year it was very, very successful. I think we visited like 5 major events. We had a lot of success. Mr. Jardim contributed very, very well to a seminar in Brazil. He actually addressed the people in Portuguese, and we did a very, very good job there. I hope to work with the new Minister of Finance and of course the Minister of Economic Affairs to continue that cooperation in 2017 and beyond. I wish you all a very, very successful year, financially, socially, and I hope that the sector will keep growing and to contribute to our island. Thank you very much.